Ifeanyi Okowa Ndokwa's son and daughter believes that the former Owaman governor loves Ukwuani Ndokwa federal constituency. He or she is living in delusion. He is using you to trade for political capital and feather his nest. You better wake up from your slumber. That fellow is a serial betrayer. The person that made this post on Facebook is an Ukwuani person. Now, another Ukwuani person now commented under that post. He said, "We want Okowa to dislodge Ned first before any other alignment. Ned wants to carry us to Southeast, and God will never allow that happen." The Ukwuani person that he commented under his post now replied, "Now that Delta State is in South-South, did Akwa Ibom and Calabar cornered you?" We are hearing that Okowa wants to go back to the Senate. He wants to be the senator representing Delta North in the House of Senate. Some years back, Okowa was the senator representing Anioma people in the Senate. He became the governor of Delta State for 8 good years. Now he wants to go back to the Senate in 2027. Wetin he dey find go Senate? Okowa was a senator representing Anioma people for 4 years. In that 4 years, he no fit give Ukwuani people light. He no fit give Ukwuani people good road. He no fit give Ukwuani people good health care. He no fit bring any infrastructure come Ukwuani land. He no fit bring any development for Ukwuani land. He brought no project to Ukwuani land. After he became the senator, he contested for governorship. He won and he became the governor of Delta State for 8 good years. As Okowa be governor, nothing Okowa do for Ukwuani people. Senator Ned Nwoko won't give we Ukwuani people Anioma State so that Anioma people go get 3 senators. Each senator go dey represent the different regions wey dey for Anioma land. Ukwuani people will be represented by 1 senator. Ika people will be represented by 1 senator. Enuane people, which are Oshimiri and Anyocha people, will be represented by 1 senator. But because some of our Ukwuani people no dey understand all these things, they no want to make Senator Ned Nwoko go back to Senate. Okowa is fighting against the creation and the southeast zoning of Anioma State for his selfish interests. He won't go back to Senate, make it be say, now only him one day represent Anioma people for Senate. But if we get Anioma State, Anioma land go get 3 senators. If we get Anioma State, say Okowa won't become senator when we represent Ika people, no problem. Ukwuani people will get their senator. Enuani people will get their senator. But instead, you know what make Anioma State go southeast? He won't contest for election, make he be the senator representing the entire Anioma people for Senate. And Ukwuani person will be say, Ukwuani land not get lights, we not get good road, no infrastructure, no development, no federal university, no state university, nothing dey Ukwuani land. They mention they go all those things not dey Ukwuani land. But because Senator Ned Nwoko one zone Anioma State go southeast, some Ukwuani people they talk say, we don't want Anioma State to join the southeast. Instead of Anioma State to join the southeast, make we not get Anioma State at all. That is the mentality of a failure. Ukwuani people were zoned to the southwest in 1939. We became Western region. We were zoned to the southwest, a Yoruba dominated region. We Ukwuani people and other Anioma people, we don't understand Yoruba language. No culture where they do for Yoruba where you go talk say Ukwuani people they do that culture. In 1938, we Anioma people we were agitating that we don't want to be in Western region, that We want to be zoned to Eastern region for us to coexist with our kind. But instead, we were zoned to Western region. We left Western region and we were zoned to Midwestern region, which was called Bendel State. Anioma people started complaining of marginalization. Say Benin Kingdom they marginalized them all before they can't divide Midwestern region. For 1991, Delta State go one side, Edo State go one side. We Anioma people, we dey agitate say we no wan be with people where be say we and them not dey speak the same language. Now, why are some Anioma people saying that they don't want to join the Southeast? They don't want we Anioma people to be with our kind. Person wey get sense where e mean say e wan get states. E no care whether the zone am go south or southeast. Wetin the person go dey talk na make we get Anioma State. Na this mentality where some of our Ukwuani people get. Now why Ukwuani not ever go forward? Now why Ukwuani land not ever succeed? Now why Ukwuani land not ever grow? In the entire Anioma land, Ukwuani land is the most backward Igbo speaking region. One federal university not the Ukwuani land, one state university not the Ukwuani land. Some of our Ukwuani people still don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. If Ukwuani people won't go university, now Roboland they will go they study for their university for them. Or they go the University of Abo. Or they go the Polytechnic with the Ogashuku. None of all these things they for Ukwuani land. Yet you go see some set of Ukwuani people. They go there for comment section, they talk rubbish with boldness. We don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. He's trying to zone out to the Southeast. Poorest Igbo speaking region for Delta State. Money Ukwuani not get nothing good dey Ukwuani land. Come Ukwuani land, you gonna say suffering dey this place. If you come Ukwuani land, you gonna say this place need development. Anioma State cannot be created as zone to the south. Ijaw people are looking for a state. Ijaw people will never give up Toru Ibe State for Anioma State to be actualized as zone to the south. See as Ijaw people they agitate, they thought say they want Toru Ibe State for the indigenous Ijaw people in Edo State, Ondo State and Delta State to be a state. Do you think that Ijaw people will give up that their state that they are agitating for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the south? It's not possible. Now this thing now, my Ukwuani people supposed to dey reason. This is what Ukwuani people are supposed to be reasoning. Knowing fully well that Anioma State can never be zoned to the south. Nothing the Ukwuani land. You dey form bulls. You have crude oil here. Are you benefiting from that crude oil here? Ukwuani when the man affect Ukwuani. You get crude oil, you not get university, you not get road, you not get light for 20 years. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Don't you have shame? People are supposed to cover their face in shame. You get crude oil, you not get anything. You still get mouths. Come online, they talk rubbish. You don't want Senator Nedwoko to go back to the Senate. Person where won't give you states. But because you don't want Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast, you want us to remain in Delta States. The daughter of Okowa, called Marilyn Okowa Damola, she is representing Ika Northeast in Delta State House of Assembly. Now her papa Okowa, they won't go back to Senate. Now their family get all those positions where they this Anioma land. Your daughter they represent Ika for Delta State House of Assembly. You yourself, you don't want to go back to Senate. Where you did for that Senate before? What do you do for Anioma people? What do you do for Ukwuani people? Go different Ukwuani platforms. You go see where Ukwuani people they complain. They talk say Okowa will never go back to the Senate in 2027. Few years ago, when Okowa was the governor of Delta State, the EFCC accused Okowa of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. Now wetin EFCC talk be that. And that 1.3 trillion naira is crude oil money from Delta State. This our Ukwuani brother wey no get sense when they reply that nonsense reply for comment section. They talk say make we dislodge Senator Nedwoko first. Then you go come start to talk about Okowa. Person where EFCC accuse say he collect Delta State money, crude oil money where he be say na Anioma people money. person where they accuse say he steal 1.3 trillion naira, you not even dey vex for that person. The one where you dey vex against na Senator Okowa wey wan give you state nzuzu adem and nzuzu ozwai that Ukwuani person ozwai. E no get sense. E no get sense. Some Ukwuani people are saying, which project did Senator Okowa give Ukwuani people? The biggest project since the creation of Delta State by any politician representing Delta North is the creation of Anioma State. If Okowa like, make e tie the whole road wey dey Anioma land. Anioma State and the southeast zoning is what we want. If Okowa like, make e build university for Ukwuani land. What we Anioma people want is Anioma State. No project where politician go build today for Anioma land where they bigger than Anioma State where we dey agitate for so. European countries where we say that they do well for the country where they dey. Some of them for that country they thought say they want separate, make them become their own country. The agitation for Anioma State is long overdue. Now so one person they say, that's where Cubana they build for Okpanam. If to say Anioma people know, they support that project. They don't need to get Anioma State again because Delta State government they do them well. How can this project be going on in Anioma land and they are still agitating to get Anioma State and join the southeast? As I see that comment, wetin come out from my man now, this person is an Ozwai. It's a failure. Ozwai. If you like, build flyover everywhere for Anioma land. We want Anioma State because Anioma State will give us more than what any politician is planning to build in Anioma land. Make we Anioma get only one senator. And if we get Anioma State, we go get 3 senators. If we get Anioma State, every Anioma people will be carried along. Government will be closer to Anioma people. Those Ukwuani people saying, what the Senator could do for Ukwuani people, he's not going back to the Senate. There is an Ukwuani man called Senator Patrick Osakwe. He was a senator representing Delta North in the past. He did nothing for Ukwuani people. Now Ukwuani person, no, he did nothing for Ukwuani people. But today, some of our Ukwuani brothers, all they know how to do is coming online to be dragging Senator Okowa as if their own brother were be senator do anything for them. The biggest thing where any politician go do for Anioma people now to give us Anioma State. Ukwuani people will benefit so much if Anioma State is being actualized as zone to the southeast. The southeast are the only people that truly love we Anioma people in this country. You are happy that you are living in the same geographical location with Ika people, with Oshima and Anyocha people, but you don't want we Anioma people to join our brothers in the southeast. Ibuzo people are from Isu in the southeast. Ogwashuku people are from Uri in the southeast. Our kingdom in Ikaland is from Uri in the southeast. Akumasi community in Ikaland is from Uri in the southeast. So many communities in Ikaland are from Uri kingdom. If you come to Ukwuani land, so many communities in this Ukwuani land migrated from the southeast. And today, you go see some people for Ukwuani land, you go see some people for Anioma land, they don't say, we don't want to join the southeast, we rather remain in Delta states. We are Sasa people, we are Niger Delta people. People will not get direction for life. People will not know what they want. It's just people that agitate say they want to read the states. Another is just states. They want to make all of them dey for south. Make all of them they speak with one voice. We are normal people, we want Anioma State so that we go get one voice with our brothers in the southeast. That is why we want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. So that when we say anything in this country, that thing will stand. If Anioma State dey for south, we Anioma people, we not go get out. We will be seen as a minority. Our opinion will not be heard because we are in a geopolitical zone where different people coexist. South is made up of different people that have nothing in common. Urobo, Isoko, Isekiri, Ijo, Calabar, Efik, Ibibio, Oron, Ejabam, and so on. Different people. Because they are different people, they won't have the same mindset, the same agenda. They're not going to get all those things. Because they'll not be the same people. Everybody will dey fight for survival. But if we Anioma people, if we join our brothers in the southeast, we go dey reason together as one people. We understand each other's language. We have the same culture and tradition. Why some of our people for Ukwuani land they don't say they no one join Southeast? Southeast is the safest region in Nigeria as we speak. Northern Nigeria, and also that they slaughter people every day for there. Southwest Nigeria, and also that they slaughter people every day for there. Some of our Ukwuani people will be saying, there is peace in the South. Are they not slaughtering people in those states? All these Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists that are terrorizing people in those states and other places in the South. Those Ukwuani people they don't make Anioma State just Southeast. Make una stop all this rubbish. Because some other people for the country will talk say see people where they agitate for make they get states. See how some of them they comment section they talk rubbish. People without vision. They go talk say now why they're poor. Some Ukwuani people go talk say Ukwuani is a majority. We plenty. You not fit produce governor for Delta State. You plenty. When last we Ukwuani people produce senator for Delta State? We plenty. Our population not fit bring federal projects come Ukwuani land. We plenty. Our huge number not fit give us federal or state university for Ukwuani land. No federal or state hospital in Ukwuani land. And you go see some Ukwuani people that say, we don't want just Southeast, cannot do the Delta State, and they can join the Southeast, cannot do the those set of Ukwuani people they talk say they don't want just Southeast. I don't know whether he gets court where they say that court they reject development. That court now poverty that they like. They like good thing. They no one develop. They no one grow. Make they just do for Ukwuani land. They talk say they no one join Southeast. They carry Ukwuani people who want join Southeast. They carry them back. They keep them for poverty. You don't want them to grow. You don't want them to coexist with their Igbo brothers in the Southeast. It's very bad. Na bad thing it be. Just say I am Igbo. We not Igbo. Where do you be? The federal government recognize Ukwuani people as Igbo people. During the Biafra war, our neighbors for Delta State they tell Nigeria soldiers say these people from Abe here, all these people they see for here, now Igbo people they be. And because of that, the Nigerian army started shooting Ukwuani people. You say you not be Igbo, your name na Chukwemeka. You say not be Igbo, your name na Olise. You say not be Igbo, your name na Maka. Who are you deceiving? Every Bia speaking people in this country is Igbo. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Ukwuani people, let's support Senator Nwoko so that he will give us Anioma State. For Anioma State to be created and zoned to the Southeast. Anioma State is for the betterment of we Ukwuani people. Now Ukwuani people go benefit pass for this Anioma State creation because Ukwuani is the majority. Ukwuani now get the crude oil and gas where they will take the power this Anioma State. And with that, Ukwuani go get out. Ukwuani go dey talk wetin go dey happen. But Ukwuani no go fit talk for this Delta State because so many tribes dey this Delta State. Power dey for the hands of other tribes wey dey this Delta State. Power not dey for the hand of Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people wake up. Let's support Senator Nwoko and make sure that we get Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast. Okowa not be person wey supposed to talk say he wan go back to Senate. He's going there to do nothing. What you wan go there go do? He fail na where he be senator. He still fail na where he be governor. Why are some Ukwuani people supporting Okowa to go back to Senate? Now, Anioma State go dey agitate for to zone and go Southeast for us to grow. Him and them boys, they talk say they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Let's support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Anioma State is the only state that will bring growth and development to Ukwuani land and other parts of Anioma land. Igbo bofu, Ishieware.